What happened?
Mosquito bite it.
The mosquito bite it?
Yes, it's big.
Is it itchy?
It's not itchy. The mosquito bite it.
Oh, the mosquito bite it. Oh my God, ang paa.
Daddy, look.
Oh no.
Daddy,
What color is it, Paris?
it's red.
It's red. Okay, that's why you have to put the cream.
That's why mine is red. Which cream do you want?
Yeah, which cream? The white cream. We will put when we get home, okay?
Let me just see. Take one first.
Go see Tito Ron first. Tito Ron is asleep.
Sleep.
Yeah, he's not answering. We'll go see him, ah. You okay?
I'm gonna go to the one house.
Okay, alright. Kung okay la ba yung baby sa tiyan ko. Like this morning, I woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning kasi yung ginagawa ko guys, like I touch my tummy, anyan, parang feel ko talaga na na hindi ako buntis, ganun. So, I did another pregnancy test. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Saturday everyone. It is currently 12:13 ng hapon and nandito kami sa sasakyan. As you can see, kakalabas lang namin from early image. Say hi first, Daddy. Actually, Daddy is here guys. kung hindi niyo siya nakita, nandito siya.
Daddy.
Ang ating baby girl ay nandun sa likuran. Ayan. So, the last few days I've been anxious and I've been stressing. Sinasabi ko kay Daddy Mike kasi even though I felt nauseous all the time, like palagi ako nasusukaan o may mga umaga na parang nafe-feel ko na walang laman yung tiyan ko guys. Like it made me feel like hindi ako buntis. Alam niyo yun. But I think like it's very normal to feel anxious when you are pregnant. And especially, nasabi ko na sa previous videos natin na I felt like this pregnancy is very different to Paris's. So, kasi yung next ultrasound kasi guys is not until 12 week yung tiyan natin. And at the moment, we're only 10 weeks. So, yung referral natin sa doktor is 12 weeks nga. I decided na I'll go make a booking for an early ultrasound. Hindi na ako makapaghintay for another 2 weeks, guys, to make sure that my baby is doing fine in my tummy. I'm just very anxious about it, guys. I'm just so worried in general. Kaya yesterday, nag-book ko ng ultrasound na for 10 weeks. Tinatawag nilang stress relief scan. Yun. Kasi normally talaga guys, hindi ka talaga nagpapascan at 10 weeks. Dapat yung scans is yung pag-start ng pregnancy mo to know your anong tawag dito, yung due date, yun yung tinatawag nila na dating scan. Tapos, 12-week scan, tapos 20-week scan, and then, that's it, you'll give birth. Because of my anxiety na kung okay la ba yung baby sa tiyan ko, like this morning, I woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning, kasi yung ginagawa ko guys, like I touch my tummy, anyan, parang feel ko talaga na na hindi ako buntis, ganun. So, I did another pregnancy test kasi nabubuang lang talaga ako. Kaya, sabi ko talaga sa sarili ko, I'm very happy na I'm doing this test kasi para makatulog na ako ng mabuti, para makapag-relax na ako, hindi na ako mag-stress. So, yun guys. Yun na nga, kakalabas lang namin and where are we right now? Where are we?
The baby.
Baby?
Yeah.
Are you going to see your baby sister? Oh, careful. Are you going to see your baby sister brother now?
Yeah. You, there's a baby father.
There's a baby. Yeah, and we're here at early image
Daddy.
in Paran.
Where's that?
Paris, are you excited?
Yes, I'm so.
So excited?
Look at you.
Are you so excited? Honey?
Hello, babies.
Hi, baby. You upstairs. Don't tell Daddy.
What's that? Oh,
I-
careful with the shoes,
No
huh?
shoes on the couch.
The couch is very wide, no?
I could just make what? What colors? What color the couch?
It is beige or cream.
Cream?
Cream.
What color your dress?
Dress? Daddy's not wearing a dress.
Yours is the same color as the couch.
Hmm? Color.
I was so happy nung sinabi ng sonographer that the baby is doing just fine. I will share some clips sa screen, guys, na the baby was moving a lot. The baby was dancing, like just, yeah, and also the baby has got 172 beats per minute, which he thinks that's brilliant for, 10 weeks fetus.
Athlete,
Yeah, athlete. So,
UFC fighter.
yeah. Anyways, guys, it's just, so worth it na ginawa ko yung scan na to, guys. Although, I know it's an extra expense kasi you have to pay, another for this scan and then another for 12 weeks. But you know what? Who cares for that one like this? I told Daddy Mike there's nothing expensive when it comes to peace of mind and, to make sure that your baby is doing well. So, yeah, super glad I made a test, guys. Kasi ngayon, I can relax a little bit. I know when you're pregnant, you can't really avoid being, stressed and all. For some reason, it's just the hormones, going crazy. But by doing this test, I think I'll be able to rest more now that I've seen my baby. And you know what, guys? Sobrang ganda ng nila sa loob kasi Daddy Mike and Paris could go in and meron silang screen where Daddy Mike and Paris can go watch while he was doing the it was really good. Although sabi ko kay Daddy Mike na mag-video sa loob para makita, guys, pero I think like Daddy Mike was enjoying it a lot that just didn't do it, but that's
Just like I was talking to Paris and explaining it to Paris.
yeah. Paris was very happy to see it as well. Now, were you happy to see your baby sister, brother?
Yeah.
Yes, there you go. Super thankful sa technologies nowadays na nagagawa mo tong mga ganito, guys. What's nice about it is that they are 24/7. So open sila, guys, 24/7. And you don't need medical referral. So hindi mo kailangan yung request from the doctor na kailangan mo mag-scan, ganito, ganyan. It's for your general peace of mind lang talaga kung gusto mong malaman kung yung baby mo ay okay or baby is moving or baby is growing, ganun. Yun talaga yung gusto kong malaman, guys, kung may heartbeat si baby. Kasi because of the horror stories, guys, na naririnig ko from other people, it stressed me. Parang naiisip ko na, oh my God, kasi katulad nung kaibigan ni Daddy Mike, nung pagbalik nila, wala nang ang tawag dito, wala nang heartbeat yung baby, yung mga ganun, guys. Parang hindi ko na iwawala sa utak ko, hindi ko na iwawala sa isip ko. Kaya, yeah, so glad I did that. Thank you for letting me, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I know Daddy Mike is very positive, guys. They always say like, everything is fine, mommy. Baby is okay. But still,
Peace of mind.
yeah, it's peace of mind. I wanted to believe him, but until I see that heartbeat in the screen, hindi ako mapalagay, guys. And yeah. So actually, anong oras na? What time is it na ba?
12:20.
12:20. I've been trying to call my bestie, guys, kasi yung plano namin is magkikita kami after ng scan today. Yeah, parang lumabas yata sila kagabi na hangover siguro. Kaya yun, baka tulog na tulog pa. Malapit lang kasi yung bahay nila dito, guys. So I don't know if I should just drive there, just wake him up. But yeah, anyways, are you happy, Daddy? Did it give you peace of mind as well?
Yeah, it was nice to see my little baby. Like I said, I didn't even, when I went in there, I felt like I was going to look at the baby. I didn't feel like I was going to look for bad news. I actually didn't think about it. I actually forgot that that's why we're there. I thought we were just showing Paris.
Yeah. It's so cool to show Paris, guys. And you know what? Pag-scan talaga ni Kuya, guys, sa akin, straight, nung nakita ko yung baby, the baby's heartbeat and all, sobrang iyak ko na talaga, guys. Pinigyan ako ni sir ng tissue. Kasi sobrang iyak ko talaga, humagulo talaga ako sa loob, guys. Kasi you got no idea kung gaano ako ka-stress thinking about the baby. Sometimes kasi, guys, feel ko parang walang laman yung tiyan ko ba. But I also forgot na I'm only 10 weeks, no? So, hindi pa talaga parang showing talaga yung tiyan ko. But when I'm laying down, minsan ko na parang wala. So, umalis pa ako ng bahay, guys, na walang ayos, oh. So, straight, ako kasi late akong bumangon kasi nga, yung tiyan ko parang iba yung pakiramdam ko sa tiyan ko. That's the only reason. That's one reason as well kaya gusto kong pumunta dito sa ultrasound na to. And also, nasusuka din ako kayo ng umaga, guys. Kaya umalis ako na hindi ako nagsuklay. Tingnan nyo, binulibod ko na lang ang aking ko. And, ayan, wala akong makeup or anything. Ako, ang tawag dito. Nagkilay ako ng madalian, ganyan. Pero, cream na lang sa mukha. Hindi na ako nag-makeup kasi wala na akong time na. At the moment, guys, I don't really feel like doing it. Pasensya na, may kausap si Daddy Mike sa akin. Honey, are you happy to see your baby sister, brother?
Yes.
Yes. Did you see your bum?
Yeah.
Oh, did Daddy show the bum? Wow. Baby Paris is so happy. Yes? Are you gonna be an ate?
Yes.
Yes. Alright, guys, we're gonna go now. I don't know where. What happened?
It's mosquito bite it.
The mosquito bite it?
Yes, it's big.
Is it itchy?
It's not itchy. A mosquito bite it.
Oh, the mosquito bite it. Oh my God, ang paa.
Daddy, look.
Oh no.
Daddy.
What color is it, Paris?
It's red.
It's red. Okay, that's why you have to put the cream.
That's why my red. Which cream do you want?
Yeah, which cream? The white cream. We will put when we get home, okay?
Let me just see Tita Ron first.
Go see Tita Ron first. Tita Ron is asleep.
Sleep?
Yeah, he's not answering. He's sleeping. Do you still want to go see him?
Yeah.
Yes? Go, Tita Ron. Go.
Tita Ron.
Louder.
Where's he?
Where is he?
He's not sleeping.
Yeah, he's at home, sleeping. We'll go see him, ah? You okay?
I'm gonna go to the one's house.
Okay, alright. What are you having, Paris? Have a look at your face. Show Mama, babe. Show Mama what you got. Can you open? Wow. What is it?
That's croissant.
Croissant. Show Mommy around.
What's inside there, Mommy?
Let's go there. Oh. There. Dora the Explorer. Show Mommy more. There. Nandito kami sa pet shop, guys. Tingnan niyo. Aquarium.
I can see it.
There's nothing here now. We'll go the other way. Go the other side.
There we go.
There you go. What can you see there? There's nothing in there.
Mommy, the one that
Yeah, have a look. Oh. Lamig ka na sa bawon na.
Papa Betty.
Oh.
Baby's Carol.
Allah, he's saying hi to you. Pori alihi. Pori alihi.
Wow, it's so big.
Say hi, Taro.
Hi, Tata.
Pori
Paris.
alihi.
I like you. Say hello.
Porialihi. Say porialihi, Daddy. Say porialihi ba? Daddy, say porialihi.
Porili hey.
Porialihi.
That is so big.
Say bye-bye, Taro.
Porialihi.
I love you.
Okay.
Porili.
Daddy.
You know the taste? Oh,
Oh, it's Nemo.
Can you see?
Who is it, Nak?
Mommy,
Who is it?
that's Nemo go.
It's Nemo. See?
On that one,
Oh, big one.
and there was turtle. I'm fine.
Where are you going? How much in guess? $50 each, $45 each, $60 each.
This one is expensive. Look at the time.
Daddy,
Look at the time.
Honey, come here. Yeah, pretty cool.
Daddy.
Show mommy the bunny and the birds. Come, where is it?
It's so funny.
Ah, Paris knows where it is. Where's the bunny? Wow. Hi, bunny. What is it? Birdies.
That's not a birdie, Mama. It's a parrot.
Oh, it's not a birdie, it's a parrot. Okay, if you say so, honey. This one, how about this one? Are these birdies or what?
That's not a birdie. That's a parrot. Tweet, 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 tweet.
You're cutie, anak.
Bunny.
Say bye-bye, bunny now. We're going. Say bye, bunny.
Eating, Daddy.
The bunny is eating. We should be eating too. Mommy's hungry. Come on.
I would like to eat
You don't like to eat?
rainbow.
Hi guys! It's now 2:30 ng hapon. And yung ating bestie pala guys ay wala sa kanila. Oh my God! Na-hangover here, honey. Na-hangover siya kagabi. So, hindi kami nakapunta sa kanila. And then, naghanap na lang kami ng makakain guys kasi I'm super hungry. So, ayan ang ating baby girl. Nandito kami ngayon sa isang Korean restaurant kasi gusto kong mag-soup. And I think they're going to close soon as well. Hopefully, hindi pa sila mag-close. Honey, go, go, go. Go, go, go. Ayan. Dito ako bumibili sa Uber Eats, guys. Sa kanila. Yung pinapakita. Kailangan natin mag-log in. Ang ating baby girl ay naghahanap ng kanyang Tito Ron.
To the one and there.
Tito Ron will come visit you instead, anak.
Do you want Daddy to sit here or here? Where do you want Daddy to sit?
Daddy, you sit there, Daddy, next to her.
No, no, Daddy.
Yeah?
So Daddy has to sit here, anak. Thank you. Daddy has to sit next to you, Baba. Oh. Wow, yum yum. Oh.
Sit down.
What would you like, honey? Yum.
Mommy.
Hmm? Oh. Yung soup na pinapakita ko sa ano guys, ayun guys. Oh.
This.
Sa vlog ko dito ako mo order.
Have
Sarap.
one. Now, one that.
Which one?
This.
This one? There's a chili.
Chili.
guys, time check tayo. It's now 7 o'clock ng gabi. And we're dropping Daddy Mike at the gym.
That's right.
Ang ating baby girl ay, tingnan nyo, nakanganga na, natulog na. Enjoy, Daddy. Huwag kang pick you up later.
I'll let you know. If it's not too late, otherwise I'll be fine.
Quick. Enjoy.
See ya.
Bye. Ayun. Sobrang lakas ng ulan, guys. Oh my God. Ang ating baby girl lang hindi nagnap. Tulog na tulog. Actually, gigisingin ko yan siya, guys. Kasi, pupunta kami ng McDonald's. Kasi kanina, guys, you won't believe it. Baby Paris was asking for coffee. Sabi niya, Mommy, can I have some coffee? Kasi, nasanay siya ba na yung daddy niya sinasabi all the time na we'll go, get coffee, ganyan. Pero hindi talaga coffee yung hinahanap niya, guys. It's hot chocolate. So, ayan, guys. Nandito tayo ngayon sa harapan ng McDonald's kasi gusto kong dalhin si Baby Paris dito, guys. And get something to eat. And gusto ko talaga siyang gisingin, guys. Kasi pag natulog yan siya, it means, mamayang, mga late, gising pa yan siya. Mga midnight na yan siya matutulog ulit. Kaya, gigisingin natin. Kasi gustong-gusto din niyang guys, get something to drink as well. Tingnan niyo, anak. Nak. Paris. Paris. Papa. We're here at McDonald's now. Yeah, sure, Mommy. We'll wait for the food. There. We'll wait. Daya. Paris, look here. Show what you got.
Ice.
Show.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Here you go. Yum. What are you eating, Paris?
French fries.
What is it?
French fries.
French fries. Wow. How did you know? Who told you that? Who told you that? Your teacher?
Here's my picture of it.
Oh, good girl.
Mommy also asked them people.
Okay. Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 10:40 ng gabi and ngayon lang tayo nakapag-vlog ulit. Nandito na kami sa bed, guys. Actually, kami lang dalawa ni Baby Paris. Nak, what are you doing, Nak? Tito, what are you drinking? Parisiko, careful ba kayo, Maya, bu? What are you drinking? What are you drinking? Milk. Naglinis-linisin kami konti ng bahay, guys. Ayun si Daddy Mike ang tawag ito, nagmamap pa. But yeah, we're going to bed shortly. And yeah, today guys, I'm very happy kasi nga, diba, na-confirm natin na si baby natin ay okay lang. Yung well-being niya sa loob ng tiyan ni Mommy. So that makes me very happy and parang kalmado na tayo kumpara sa the last few days. And I just want to say thank you sa lahat ng patuloy na sumusubaybay sa ating channel. And sa mga bagong subscribers, welcome sa inyong lahat. Sana na-i-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And before i-end natin yung vlog, of course, hindi mawawala yung ating pa-shoutout. And the first shoutout goes to Sally Samaniano from Bicol, Christine Namayan, and Namayan family from Bigaa, Malinaw, Aklan. Shout out to Alin Igar from Cagayan de Oro City. Hello, Samsilingan. Shout out to Kimberly Lapernina. Pa-shout out di ay sa taga Mahayahay diri sa Balingasag. Oh, silingan naman dali namo. Hello sa inyo tanan mga taga Mahayahay nga gawatch sa mga videos. Salamat kaayo sa suporta. Shout out to Emelita Gonzalez, Immaculate Gulayan, Fidis Piging, Dragon TV Vlog. Shout out to Maria Lourdes, Salvacion Miguel, Novero Yoli, Marisa Almazan, C&M Tom, T. Mengkai Chano, Virgie Gases, and Claudine's Kitchen, Claudine Reed. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up, baby girl. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Mwah.